Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Have you ever wanted to earn $500 a day without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, today I have an exciting new tool that you can use to make that happen: an AI bot. This is not just any AI bot. It's one that has been specifically designed to help you earn money online. The best part? The bot works automatically, which means all you have to do is set it up and let it start making you money. Firstly, let's talk about how this AI bot works. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze the data of popular online marketplaces and trends. From there, it identifies the best opportunities for making money, and even makes automatic trades on your behalf. But I know what you're thinking: is this really ethical? The answer is yes, absolutely. You see, the bot only makes trades when it's in your best interest, and it never takes risks that could damage your investment. Now, I know what you're really excited about: how much money can you make with this new AI bot? Well, let me tell you, it's possible to earn $500 a day, and even much more than that. Of course, your earnings will depend on factors such as your investment capital, trading frequency, and the overall market conditions. But as long as you follow the bot's recommendations, you can expect to see positive results. But it's not only about the money. This AI bot is also incredibly easy to use. You don't need any prior experience in trading or investing. In fact, the AI bot does all of the heavy lifting for you. All you'll need is a computer or smartphone, an internet connection, and some starting capital to get you going. Now, let's talk about some of the other benefits of using this AI bot. First, you can enjoy complete autonomy. There are no restrictions on when you can use it or how long you can use it for. Plus, it runs in the background, which means you can go about your day-to-day activities as it makes trades on your behalf. Another great benefit of this AI bot is that it minimizes the risks associated with trading. With the bot's advanced algorithms, you can be sure that you're making the right trades at the right time, based on reliable data. And last, but not least, using this AI bot is incredibly cost-effective, unlike traditional investment options that come. Moreover, the AI bot eliminates the need for expensive financial advisors or brokers, saving you a significant amount of money in the long run. Additionally, the bot operates 24/7, allowing you to take advantage of market opportunities even when you're not actively monitoring your investments. With its user-friendly interface and customizable settings, this AI bot is the perfect tool for both novice and experienced traders looking to maximize their profits and minimize their risks. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.